Today I'm sharing 7 effortlessly chic outfits that you can copy and wear from Monday to Sunday. All my outfits are composed of items from our beloved French brand SEZANE. French women are known for being the most chic and timeless well-dressed women, and we wonder how to emulate their classic and elevated style. You don't have to be French, nor even live in Paris to dress like a French woman. You can definitely achieve this style anywhere you live. So in this episode of French Style, you can expect 7 outfits wearing only SEZANE items from my wardrobe. However, you don't need to have these exact same items. You can definitely recreate these outfit ideas with pieces I'm sure you already have in your wardrobe. These outfits are perfect for mild winter days. I will be introducing some springish vibes into my outfits. For this first day of our week, and like I just said, I want to do these transitional outfits and so introduce more spring vibes into our outfits. How can we do that without having to shop anything new? Instead of choosing darker colors, burgundies, blacks, greys like I'm wearing today, so this is a more wintry outfit. Opt for lighter colors. In this case, I opted to choose this pair of trousers that has pink, and pink is going to be one of the color trends for this spring and summer. So these trousers will be warm because they are made in wool, but the fact that they are in pink make them more appropriate for the spring. This is also made in a very warm fabric. It has wool in its composition. It's a light color, perfect for spring. Don't forget to accessorize with jewelry pieces, and to stay within this French aesthetic, opt for classic dainty pieces. I'm wearing Louvre jewelry. All my jewelry pieces are made in sterling silver 925 with an 18 karat gold vermeil. So Tuesday I will be wearing grey. A lighter shade of grey, my check pattern grey trousers. These are the Rodrigo trousers from SEZANE. My tomboy shirt that has thin stripes from a certain distance almost resembles a grey collar, which is perfect to wear with these trousers, and my Samuel vest on top. And if it's too cold, I can always repeat the blazer or even a wool long coat. Wednesday it's raining. And so I'm going to be wearing my Scott trench coat, perfect for rainy days. I kind of wanted to do a monochromatic outfit and choose pieces within this color range of camels, beiges, and so I opted to go for my Martin trousers. So again, these are very warm. They are made in wool. They are all lined. Nonetheless, this color is also perfect to transition into spring. I'm going to wear my Maurice sweater. Maybe I can also wear a t-shirt under the Maurice jumper so that the collar area appears on the neckline. It adds another point of interest into your outfit. I opted to wear my Axel boots in chocolate brown. Thursday is a shiny day. I want to bring back this sweater that has these beautiful flower patterns. Again, a huge trend this season. This jumper is very, very itchy. And so I opted to wear it over my amber shirt. These ruffles that it has around the collar are perfect to style under a sweater. To complement this outfit, I went for a pair of ecru trousers. These are the Théophile trousers, also in a very warm material and a light color, perfect for spring. If it is too cold, I can also rewear my blazer. To complement this outfit, I went again for my Adele boots in suede ecru. They are almost the same color as the trousers, and these will elongate our legs as it won't create another visual line. Let's do a casual Friday outfit. If you work in an office, sometimes we have those casual Fridays where we are allowed to wear denim jeans, and in this case I went for my straight denim jeans, my rim shirt, to do a very chic inspired French outfit. To complement the outfit, I will be wearing my Ralph wool blazer in brown. I can always cinch the blazer in the waist with the belt or wear it loose. For footwear, I went again for my Axel boots in brown that ties everything together. These boots look perfect with the jacket. Saturday arrives, we ended our work week. Let's be more playful, more joyful, and choose an outfit to go for a lunch, for a brunch in a restaurant, for instance. I chose my Alicia skirt, this blue cardigan that is just beautiful. It has a gorgeous color. I will wear the cardigan over this top that has padded shoulders to give me more structure. Also, this cardigan is a little bit open at the front with a deep V-neck, and I think wearing a top under will be perfect. In this case, I will opt again to wear my Adele boots in suede ecru. They will also make this outfit more light. Sunday will be a more relaxed day. I will opt for a pair of denim jeans, and these are the Florals in this indigo blue. I'm going to wear my Simon jumper in green. This one is also in merino and wool and cotton, so it's very soft. And on top I will be wearing my Leon coat also in green to tie everything together and also to go monochromatic on top. For footwear, I can wear my Axel boots, I can wear a pair of loafers. Another option will be with the same denim jeans. This top, this is the Felix top. These are made in organic cotton. They are very bold, they are a statement piece, but if you combine in a more subtle way, they will add a cheerful touch to our outfits. And then on top, throw my Lauren jumper. This top has also flowers in blue and in camel. The camel Lauren will match perfectly these tones. The Axel boots also in chocolate brown. These will make for 8 outfits. In total, on Sunday you will have 2 to choose from. Either go green or go more on the camel and blue side. Thank you so much for watching. Do give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more SEZANE content and more Parisian style content. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye!